At the restaurant.
Tom is at a restaurant. He is hungry. A waiter comes to his table. Waiter, good evening. Can I help you? Tom, yes, can I have the menu, please? Waiter, here you are. Tom, thank you. Tom looks at the menu. Waiter, are you ready to order? Tom, yes. I'd like soup, please. Waiter, and for the main course? Tom, I'd like grilled meat with rice, please. Waiter, anything to drink? Tom, yes. I'd like a bottle of water, please. The waiter brings the food. Waiter, enjoy your meal. Tom, thank you. Tom eats and is happy. Tom, can I have the bill, please? Waiter, here it is. Tom pays and leaves the restaurant.